Okay, I want to try to save you from making the same mistake I made. So if you look on Amazon and other places, even the Champion website, and look for the RV plugs where you can make use of this 30 amp plug, these will come up, and this one is number 48034, but it has a plug that looks like that, and it does not work. It is not compatible. Champion, the technical person I spoke to on the phone, said they do not actually make a plug that fits this one, but it's called a TT-30P. TT-30P. It is still an RV plug. It's 30 amp, 125 volts, but it's shaped different. So I'll put a link into the description about one that I found that actually works, and there's a bunch of them if you search TT-30P, but evidently most of the Champions must have used to have had this kind, and then this is a different kind. So didn't want you to make the same mistake I made. What it allows you to do for home use is use that plug on your generator, but then go into your home with regular outlets. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll show it to you when I get the right one in, but didn't want you to make the same mistake I made. So this generator has two household outlets and one 30 amp 125 volt RV outlet, and the cords that are currently for sale from Champion when I make this video, none of them fit this plug. It's called a TT-30P, and I'll put a link to this cord that I bought in the description, and the cord looks like that. And so it's different than a lot of the ones that you see where it's got the ground wire and it's got these two slanted plugs. And so they're gonna plug in here, and then you can also run two regular ones. So I'm just gonna try it out to make sure that I'm getting power out of all of them. Alright, so we know what works.